White Waltham is one of the country's oldest airfields, and one of the largest grass strips in the country, now home to the West London Aero Club, WLAC. The history of White Waltham Airfield stretches back to 1928, when the de Havilland family acquired the airfield for use as a school for flying, which opened in 1935. The MOD requisitioned it to be used during World War II, and in 1940 it became the headquarters for the Air Transport Auxiliary, ATA, whose members were responsible for delivering wartime aircraft to and from RAF stations. Ferry Aviation, the same company that designed the ferry Gannet and Rotterdam, called White Waltham home for a while, but it is now a civilian airfield but is still busy as ever, teaching future pilots. And of course, it is home to Ultimate Aeros and Hurricane Heritage, which own 2 Hawker Hurricanes, a Harvard and an ME108 to name a few. You can visit the West London Aero Club website, link in the description. If you are interested at all in a flight in the Harvard or the Hurricane, head over to Ultimate Aeros, who also offers aerobatic flights and training in several different aircraft. Hurricane Heritage also offer these flights as well from White Waltham in Maidenhead. The staff are all fantastic and make sure that you are comfortable before and after your flight. Below is a little snippet of information that really does explain the experience that you will receive. Hurricane Heritage offers flight experiences in the world's only two-seat Hurricane and our Mark IIb Harvard. A range of flights is available, starting with a 20-minute Harvard experience, all the way up to 65 minutes in the two-seat Hurricane, the typical length of a sortie in World War II. Flights depart from our home base, the historic White Waltham Airfield, which is situated just west of London. The airfield benefits from superb transport links and ample parking. It also provides amazing viewing areas with outside seating and a welcoming clubhouse with bar and restaurant, so your guests can enjoy the day as well. On arrival, you'll be given a detailed pre-flight safety briefing, and equipped with a fitted flight suit, helmet and gloves. You'll then join one of our experienced warbird pilots at the aircraft, where a member of our ground crew team will assist in securely strapping you into the aircraft's rear seat. There will then be plenty of time to become familiar with the cockpit and safety procedures, before setting off on an adventure of a lifetime. At our pilot's discretion, you will be given the opportunity to experience a number of aerobatic maneuvers, explore the surrounding historic landscape and even take control of the aircraft yourself if you wish. I have added links to both websites below in the video description. If you are interested in flight simulation, and if you own Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020 and are interested in White Waltham Airfield, head over to Burning Blue Design, who have an extraordinary add-on scenery that you can purchase for just £10.95. That is the price at the time of making this video. I will say that Burning Blue Design kindly let me have the White Waltham scenery to try, and after flying from there myself in real life, I have to say it is hugely accurate, even down to having Hurricane Heritage's Hurricane Mark I R4118 represented as a static aircraft. Also the superb clubhouse, which has a great bar inside in real life. The scenery also has all the various hangars that are located around the airfield, as well as accurately textured aircraft, showing the exact aircraft that call White Waltham home. All of this really does make you feel like you are there. The detail is incredible, even down to the car park, which is a strange thing to say, but it has been reproduced to perfection. The price that not only the White Waltham scenery is currently, but the price for all the add-on airfields is absolutely fantastic and well worth supporting them, as these sceneries must take a lot of time and effort to create, especially down to the detail that Burning Blue Designs produce. Burning Blue Design has many add-ons available of airfields located all over the country, so please head over and pay them a visit and support their great work. I have added a link to Burning Blue Design's website into the video description.